With the growing complexity of manufacturing, more complex solutions have to be implemented. Proper data science strategy can help companies achieve a competitive advantage in ways that were not possible even a couple of years ago. We understand that data science can be quite overwhelming to start with, but we believe this simple guide will help you in making first choices and considering initial technologies. So, how do we usually do it? First, we look at a specific challenge in your production. The more specific, the better. Then, together with your management, we define a clear goal on what should be achieved and when. After that, we work with a team of experts from different disciplines and involve process experts to analyze the data and implement proper solutions. Typical areas where data science can easily be implemented: production improvement. Identify factors that are most affecting your production speed or volume and try to understand the causes. Quality improvement. Identify where quality problems arise and try to confirm improvement areas. Asset maintenance. Try to understand your equipment better. By getting insights into equipment performance, you can identify issues quicker and you can avoid unplanned downtime. There are three main steps in data analysis. 1. Collect data from the manufacturing side. 2. Analyze data to create diagnostic rules. 3. Establish and operate diagnostic systems. Now, where do we take the data from? If you maintain a good network structure, data from sensors can provide additional insights for data science needs. Servo motors with high-resolution rotation monitoring provide extremely useful insights on the performance of rotating equipment. Vision systems and line scanners provide perfect high-resolution insight for quality inspection. Servo amplifiers are controlling motors with high precision, but they also recognize lots of potential problems related to the mechanical surroundings. Modern and advanced industrial networks such as CC-Link IETSN provide a large bandwidth to transfer the control and motion data, but they also provide a space for additional insights from various equipment. Robot arms provide invaluable data regarding production speed, volume, and mechanical surroundings. When you've collected the data, it's time to analyze it. There are various data analysis methods that can be used. SPC monitors variance of quality within the manufacturing processes. Guard band monitors threshold along the waveform. Multiple regression analysis generates a formula to predict certain figures. MT method learns normal status and measures deviation of the current condition. Data analysis is a field where incorporating AI technology can be used. How AI works. First, we feed the AI with learning waveforms so it can detect and learn patterns. The learning results are stored as a guideline that all operational data will be compared with. When the system is fed with operational data, the AI compares it with the stored guideline and understands if the diagnostic waveform is similar or not similar to the normal pattern. The more patterns it learns, the more precise the system becomes. That's why AI can get really skilled in recognizing patterns and becomes highly accurate in diagnosis of the production process. There is one more topic that has to be addressed: edge versus cloud for data science. Cloud computing is the act of running workloads within clouds on the internet, while edge computing is the act of running workloads on edge devices on the factory premises. What are the differences? Edge computing is characterized by low latency. It's fast because it's in-house. Data security. The data doesn't leave the factory. Low bandwidth needed to run it. Huge scalability options, including a cloud connection. Cloud computing, on the other hand, has the ability to store and process large amounts of data from different sources and has huge computing power. Customers don't have to trade cloud for edge or edge for cloud. While we believe edge computing is the more suitable technology at the starting point, there is no obstacle to integrate an existing edge install base to a cloud system. Data science is a very broad topic. We've just scratched the surface with this presentation. But for all of us at Mitsubishi Electric, it's our daily bread. We provide robust integration between IT and factory automation systems, delivering intelligent solutions that reduce costs while improving operations, production efficiency, and effective supply chain management.